Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we're going to go over some helpful tips to create your prompts. Let's start by clicking on the image generation tool. Here, we have an empty box to fill in a prompt. Now, prompts can be short or lengthy so long as they focus on key elements such as subject, action, style, lighting, perspective, and mood. Let's enter in our prompt. I chose to enter in a lengthy prompt. In this prompt, I explained a cinematic close-up portrait of a young woman with striking teal blue eyes and a face full of natural freckles, wearing a dark hooded jacket in the rain. There's water droplets clinging to her hooded skin, splashes of streaks of rain capturing motion around her. She has wet brown hair, falls loosely across her face, partially covering one eye. The lighting is moody, atmospheric, with a cool green and blue tones creating a dramatic, almost underwater feel. Her expression is intense and calm, staring directly into the camera, highly detailed skin texture, shallow of depth, and cinematic color grading with dramatic lighting. Before we click generate, just take a look at our settings. Choose your model type. I'm going to go with recraft, output format, aspect ratio, and then click on the generate button. Let's review the results. Subject, a young woman with teal blue eyes, natural freckles. Action, she's wearing a dark hoodie. Her hair falls loosely across her eye. Lighting is moody with cool tones. Perspective is shallow with cinematic grading. The mood is intense yet calm while she stares directly at the camera. So let's see what happens when we change some of the elements in the prompt. Let's start by changing her mood from intense and calm to soft and endearing. Change the lighting from moody and atmospheric to joyful and lovely. Change the style of the color hoodie from a dark hooded one to a light hooded jacket. And change the lighting from cool green and blue tones to warm yellow and orange tones. Check your settings and then click on the generate button. Let's review the results. Mood went from intense to endearing and soft. Lighting went from moody to joyful and lovely. Style of clothing went from a dark hooded jacket to a light hooded jacket. And lighting went from cool to warm tones. Making simple changes to your prompt can really refine your image depending on how you want to frame it. When you're satisfied with the image, you can click on the download button.